Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in machine drawing. So first we will draw axis line. After that we'll mark point A and B. The distance between point A and B is 100. After that we'll draw radius 25 and radius 15 over there from point A. And from point B we'll draw radius 20. Now we'll draw radius 25. So to draw radius 25, I will draw parallel line of 25. Since it's a vertical line, I can directly take dimensions, or we need to draw it with arc method. This is point C, which is 25 mm away, and point D is 30 mm down. Now from point D, we'll draw radius 25. Now radius 47. So from D though we don't get any such clue as such. We can try, but we already have 47 on this line, which is point E. So from E we can draw directly 47. One more confirmation, you can do it from point D. From point D you can take 25 plus 47. Now we'll see on right side. This is radius 47. This is point, let's say P. So from P 47 I have taken. And this is radius 25. This is point Q. From Q I have taken 25. Now I'll draw it on the right hand side. So I will draw a vertical line. I'll go down by 38. Then I will draw horizontal line of 30. See, instead of horizontal line, I am drawing parallel line method. So you can do it by this method also. It will be one and same in this case, but when line is inclined, that time we need to draw it by parallel line method, the one which I have showed. This is point F. Now from point F, we need to draw radius 30. Now we need to draw radius 30. So before that we need to locate this point. Wait, this is point E only, this point. So that is R. Now how much is R away from here? 23. So we need to find out this 7 down and this 23 radius. So this 23 radius is external to 20. So first I will take 7 down. And from point B I will take 20 plus 23, 43, and I will cut. So wherever it will cut, that is point, let's say G, and from G I can draw radius 23. Now we need to draw radius 30. So we know that radius 30 is touching this point, let's say R, and from F it is external, right? So from F we cut 60 and from R we'll cut 30. So wherever they intersect, From that point we can draw radius 30. So here this point is S intersection. From there we are taking radius 30. So I hope all of you have understood this sum. Thank you.